Ay, Kadulbi. What are you doing? You do it. Yeah, my baby dog. My pup. Love mama. Love mama. Love mama. No mama love love. So anyway, I fixed this one, guys. The boil the rice. Fix this one. So be sure you don't eat first. Empty stomach. Start a little bit. So next thing is put some ice on it. It start boiling. Smell the boil now. And then after that, I put all the sat corner, my ears, and probably my head, neck, back neck. And after that, I have to cover my whole body so it came out all the sweating. It's burning now, guys. Need to put some. Start burning now, guys. Nice. So, guys. Change. So that way, guys. So it's burning now, guys. So next thing we're gonna put some ice. And that ice, guys. The ice. Let it melt. Hopefully this one is really worth, because I didn't have the sweating, so I need to take out all my sweating, the bad inside my body, to release it. So here's the ice is melting. And you have to cover it up and put some coke on it. Here's the lid. No, I'm making some treatment for myself. My sister suggests me. It's a Filipino way. because I need to release all my bad stuff. Like I go sweating because I didn't have sweating, so I have to cover a blanket so that there's no air coming through and it all come out. It like steaming. Yeah, you're all sweating all over the body. So I don't know about you, Royal. He said, try the Coke.
What are you doing drinking Coke?
No, I mix it up. It's a treatment. Put it in my rye.
Is that good water or not?
Not good. No, not good.
I'm
Got you have to take it out. It got salt on it.
You want it or you don't want it?
Yeah, just drain it out. I use later.
Huh?
I use a different one. Okay, I'll see you later. Hello guys, our stuff is ready. The one we born the rice, but I don't have a corn, so I use the rice, white rice. So I already born. I got the stuff. It's already born rice. After born, you put some ice on it and let it melt. Then you put some Coke drinks. Orange, but I don't have an orange can drinks, Royal or something. So I use Coke. That's all I have. So after that, let it boil and the steam. I have to put the plate here. Then get some bowl. I didn't have bowls. So get later. This one. I use the big one. So see. So you cover that. Let it get some. Come out like a. Underneath it's like a. Maybe right there. Wrong way. I mean the wrong way. Right there. Like that. See the steam? So that's the one you're gonna use. This one. You put in your side. Put some eggs. And then after you put all over the thing. And then you're gonna drink that. And then you put right there. So I just drink myself. So I have to put my underarm. So I get the blanket. So I'm gonna take off my jacket first so I can put the stuff. Take the jacket, guys. So I put under up. So all the steam right here. I'm getting steam. That's the wrong way. I put it there. Then you put the other side. So this one is just never been eat 5 days. Just water. Miss the food to eat. So use this one. See this one? Like see it got some. To use that one. So I use this side. That's the way I do my bearings. Put some cross on it. After that, you put in your side of your thing. There. Put side right there. Then you have to take off your pants. Pants, guys. Get the old pants. Keep one so right there. Put my knee. out. Okay. So this side also. Look, almost go back. Okay, it's not much enough. So one missing do this part. Other side legs. And then put some on the back also. You put some eggs. That's it. Covered up. Don't let the air come in. And have to pull some blanket, go back to bed, and see you later. It come out all my sweating. Ooh, bad stuff inside the body. That's why it feels sick. Got some here. Put in my pack. So I'm gonna put this side too. I'm gonna drink it. Oh, my feet. Is it though in Philippines? Okay. And we're gonna drink that one. I forgot to get the bowl. Okay guys, we'll see you later. Get the bowl. Put back my jacket. I'll be back guys. I'm gonna get some bowl to drink it. I'll be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So I got the pot. Bowl, sorry. So I'm gonna dip it. Alright guys. I'm gonna drink it. I'll make more. Quick. Let it cool down. So I'm gonna drink that guys. Let it cool down, let me see. Oh, tastes different, but it's a medicine guys. Very effective. Yeah. Feels good. Really, it feels good guys. It's working. Look at my nose, it's running. So after I drink this guys, and I'll go lay down. Look, my nose running. That's it, guys. That's my treatment. Thanks for watching. Merry Christmas to everyone and Happy New Year.